kitchen. Today is day one of my 6-day series of how to make homemade mixes and dressings and dips. Today we are going to make homemade taco seasoning. I guarantee you probably already have everything in your pantry, and this is going to be so much better for you than having to run to the store if you forget. Not to mention it's just a few ingredients, you know what's going to be in it, and it doesn't take very long at all. I'm going to show you how to do this recipe, and you can double it or triple it, and you'll have it on hand for whenever you need it. So let's go ahead and get started. You want to start with 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Then on the next, we're going to use a teaspoon of ground cumin. Okay, I'll set those over there so I'll use them again. We need a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and we need half a teaspoon of oregano, half of a teaspoon of paprika, and you can use regular or smoked, either way. Okay, and then we are going to do 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay. Now, as per usual, this is optional. If you like a little bit of heat, you can just throw in a small little pinch of hot pepper flakes. And I mean, like, that's too much, so just like a small pinch. Okay? Just give this a good little mix. And there you have it. A really nice taco seasoning. You have it ready for whenever you're ready to make tacos, anything like that. Now when you use this, you will use 2 tablespoons per 1 pound of ground beef. And if possible, try to store it with a lid so it stays tight. And then, like I said, if you want to double or triple this, just feel free. That way you have it on hand at all times. And I will have the ingredients and instructions down in the recipe. You know, strike that, reverse it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Tomorrow we will be doing another one, so please join in. If you are enjoying our channel at all, please give us a like, subscribe, share with your friends. If you're getting a chuckle, you have some comments. I also have a link down in the description. It's called Buy Me a Coffee if you'd like to help support our channel. And you guys have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.